Yo, if you're in middle or high school wondering how to get your hands on Solana, I'm here to help you. You probably saw that even Trump has now launched a Solana meme coin, and you don't want to be sidelined anymore. The profits that people took on Solana meme coins are massive. You have folks that walked away with 28 million on Trump alone, and then you also have awesome tickers that have good culture that you can get behind, like MLG, where people are also up significantly, having made life-changing amounts of money. So if you don't want to be sidelined on Trump, Unicorn Fart Dust, Frog, or MLG anymore, you need to get your hands on Solana. But you're probably seeing that most brokers or exchanges require you to be 18 in order to buy Solana from them. So don't worry, I've got two solid options for you. Let's break it down. So what are your options? First, the option is going to be having a trusted adult buy the Solana for you. Obviously though, not everyone is fortunate enough to have a trusted adult in their circle that they can rely on to give money to that would ultimately buy them the Solana. So the other alternative, a P2P trade. P2P is peer-to-peer, and peer-to-peer services will allow you to give someone some currency of some sort, and in exchange, they're going to give you the Solana. So let me break down how you'll use a P2P service, but before that, we're going to walk through how to set up a Solana wallet so that you're able to receive the Solana after you've used the service. If you're already familiar with how to set up a wallet, feel free to use the timestamps below to skip ahead to the P2P providers where I break down how to use a P2P service to buy Solana. If you're new to this, stick around. I'll cover what a non-custodial wallet is, how to set it up, and how to keep your Solana safe. First, you need to create a non-custodial wallet to hold your Solana in order to trade meme coins. You're able to create a non-custodial wallet at any age. Non-custodial wallets that you keep on your computer or phone are referred to as hot wallets or your trading wallets, and you do not have to be a certain age to set one up. However, you do need to know that the wallet needs to support the Solana blockchain. Not all crypto wallets do, so please be careful when setting yours up. If you send SOL to a wallet that is not supported, you'll lose your funds. That being said, the most popular wallets for Solana are Phantom, Backpack, and Solflare. They're all available on iOS, Android, and Google Chrome. In the Chrome web store here, we're going to go ahead and add our Phantom wallet. Once you've added the extension on Phantom, click Create a New Wallet. You're then given the option to either just create a seed phrase wallet or continue with your email. If you connect it with your email, you'll be able to recover your account without your seed phrase, which is helpful in the event that you lose it. I'm just going to create a seed phrase wallet. You'll create a password. I agree to terms of service, and then it's going to show you your secret recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase. You're going to want to make sure that you have this written down, stored in a digital password manager in a secure node. Your seed phrase allows you to recover your account in the event that you lose your password, or if you happen to download Phantom or whatever service on a different device. If you get a new computer, if you get a new phone, and you lost access to your other phone or other computer, the only way for you to recover the full account is going to be by importing it with the seed phrase. If you have it set up with your email and PIN on Phantom, you can do it that way as well. The process looks the same in Solflare. In Solflare, we click I need a new wallet. It's going to provide you with the recovery phrase. You'll hit continue. You'll enter your password for the account. Now you see your wallet here for Solflare. Backpack, to create a new wallet, we hit create a new wallet. They'll ask you what network. You're going to want to make sure that you're clicking a Solana supported wallet, so you have to have it on the Solana network. Beyond your seed phrase, you're also going to want to make sure that you save your private keys for your wallets. In Phantom, to access your private keys, go click the avatar icon in the top left. You'll click settings. You're going to go to your account, and then you're going to click show private key. It's going to ask you for your password, and then it'll display the private key. You're going to want to save this private key, as this is the keys to this specific wallet. Being a non-custodial wallet, no one else has access to the wallet with the exception of any service or bot that has the key. And so you want to make sure that you save your private keys. To import wallets into other bots, having your private key stored somewhere allows you to be able to ensure that in the event that you lose access to your Phantom, or it's down and you can't log into it, whatever the case may be, you have the ability to still access your wallet if you need to by importing it into another bot or wallet provider. So that is how you get your private key on Phantom. To get your private key on Backpack, hit the top left icon, settings, click wallets, show private key. And Solflare, in order to get access to your private key, you're going to click the icon for the wallet itself, hover over it, 3 lines, export private key to get the private key to the wallet. Your recovery phrase is to recover the whole account. Let's talk about the P2P platforms. Peer-to-peer transfers cost more than buying directly on the exchange or from a broker. The reason is P2P providers charge a premium for the fact that you have to essentially come to them to buy. This will generally range from around 8 to 20%. And so if you are using P2P, you want to make sure that you're kind of saving up as much money so that you can minimize the number of transactions that you have to do, because you don't want to have to constantly pay 20% on 20% on 20% in fees of trying to complete a transaction. Instead, try to buy in bulk whenever possible. 2 great P2P options are going to be HODL and Symlix. Let's start with Symlix. You'll find the link in my description. Create an account with your email. Once you've created your account, you'll just hit this buy and buy Solana. This takes you to the offers pages. You can filter here now for the currency that you want to pay as well as your payment methods. In the event that you only wanted to pay in, let's say, Venmo, you can select just Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay. Some accept gift cards as well. Or in the event that you wanted to pay directly in cash, there are options to do cash deposits at like 7-Eleven, CVS, Walmart, etc. to be able to pay in cash for a trade. You can select instant trade to be able to do an instant trade. The other thing that you can do is you can set this to, if you're having trouble finding offers, you can set it to any currency in PayPal. Doing PayPal, setting it for any denomination will allow you to trade from their home currency to whatever currency you have in your account. PayPal will swap it. There are a variety of options. Some say instant trade. This means they already have this amount of Solana stored on the platform. You just click buy, complete your payment, and provide your wallet details. And if you're looking for what your wallet address is, you would simply go into your wallet, click receive for Solana, and then you can copy the Solana web address. You'll enter that into Symlix, and once you complete the payment, it'll automatically release the Solana to the wallet address that you've provided. If you choose any option that is a non-instant trade, Venmo or Cash App, Google Pay option, it'll be non-instant, and you might have to wait a few hours for the seller to respond to accept your trade. Once they accept your trade, you're going to receive instructions on how to complete the transfer. And once you've completed the payment, the seller confirms that the payment was sent and Symlix releases the Solana to you. In the event that you ever have any issues, you can contact their team to help you out. Open a support ticket, email, or sometimes they're going to be available for chat. In the event that you're having any issues getting your trade completed, Symlix is probably the easiest way to purchase. If you're under 18, it's straightforward and it provides Solana directly. The other option, HODL, is also going to be non-KYC, which means that they're not requiring identity information to complete the transactions. Link for HODL is also in the description. After signing up, you're just going to click buy BTC, filter for whatever currency that you want and the amount, as some sellers will only swap for large amounts. And so we have this person here, they've done over 3,000 trades, 100% fill rate, and you've got 90 minutes to complete payment. So in this case, you would just enter in how much BTC you want, enter your Bitcoin address. So in order to receive BTC, you're going to click into the BTC icon, hit receive, and then copy that address for Bitcoin. You'll paste that in, enter the payment method, and have BTC sent to you at this wallet address. After you've received your BTC from the P2P trade, you're going to go to simpleswap.io. Here, you'll be given the option, set up your trade for however much BTC you have in that wallet to Solana. And to recap, the most cost-effective way for anyone under 18 to buy Solana is still going to be having a trusted adult help you out. In a lot of Memecoin groups or private alpha groups, you can usually start to ask mods or admins in certain groups to help you swap if you need to. However, with the internet, you can't always trust people, so be mindful of that. That's why you would go to a P2P service, pay the extra fee at a premium to be able to use a little bit more secure swap method to get Solana. But the backup method, if you can't get a trusted adult, use a non-KYC P2P service like Symlix or HODL. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to help. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Stay blessed.